Have a drink, have a bath, have a good time, have a rest, have lunch. Take a break, take a look, take an exam, take a seat, take a chance. Do your homework, do nothing, do the dishes, do your hair, do the cooking. Make a decision, make a mess, make an effort, make the bed, make money. Go home, go bankrupt, go crazy, go shopping, go abroad. Come to a decision, come to an end, come close, come early, come last. Get pregnant, get lost, get ready, get started, get a job. Let me know, let me think, let me help you, let me see, let me go. Keep in touch, keep a secret, keep the change, keep quiet, keep in mind.